On this lesson, we're going to finish building up the rest of our planet. So the next planet that we're going to work on is going to be Saturn. So I'm going to make a circle there. And this one is going to be purple. And I'm going to make some lines for it. So I'm going to go to my pen tool or press P on my keyboard. And while pressing Shift, make a straight line. Change the color to this lighter purple. Change the yeah, I think this is okay. 12. I'm actually going to use this this purple for the planet body, and then for the line I'm gonna use this one that is lighter. And I think 12 is okay, but probably 14 is better. And I'm gonna make a copy by pressing Alt and Shift. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, probably there, or a little bit to the bottom. And I'm gonna make this one darker. And I'm going to group these lines. Then I'm going to move it around here. A copy while pressing Alt to make a copy. Select both of them. And then I'm gonna go, Object, Blend, Make. And then I'm gonna go Object, Blend, Blend Options to change the options. Probably I only need 4 or 3. I think 3 is better, so I'm gonna hit 3 and I'm gonna select OK. And now you can see how with that blend I have the different colors. Then I'm gonna rotate them a little bit like that. And then just as before, I'm gonna press Ctrl X, select the shape of my planet, go to Draw Inside mode and Ctrl Shift B. And now we have this planet that has these lines, but they are diagonally and with different colors. Now I'm going to create a face. So again, I'm going to make 2 ellipses that are going to be dark blue, and make the other eye around here, group them, align them to the planet. Then I'm going to make another ellipse. This one is going to be around that, I think. And I'm going to go to my direct selection tool or press A on my keyboard and delete this point on the top. And then I'm going to actually swap the fill with the stroke, change the stroke to 4 and round the caps. I'm going to change the color to this darker purple, and I'm going to make another ring just as I did with the other planet, and this one is going to be actually a little bit thicker, so I'm gonna make the weight, I think 14 or probably 16 would work fine. And just as before, I can press C on my keyboard to go to my scissors tools, and here on the anchor points, cut them. And then select the part that is on the bottom, in the back, and go right click, arrange, send to back. And then you can still select both of them and rotate them a little bit so they don't look the same. And then I'm going to change the color to white. And just as before, select my planet, then go here to Effect, and roughen, so you can apply the same effect. Again, it's going too much with the detail, so probably 4 is just fine. And now we have our next planet. Now we're gonna work next on Uranus. So you remember that planet was kind of a single color, so I'm gonna do that by making this planet kind of a very vibrant blue. And then I'm not going to add any texture to this because of the way the real planet looks. And I'm gonna make the eyes by making 2 ellipses, grouping them. And I'm going to align them to the body of my planet, make a bigger ellipse like this, and again go to my direct selection tool, remove the anchor point on the top, select these 2 anchor points and go here to connect selected endpoints. I'm going to change the color to this one. Select another ellipse, sorry, make another ellipse to make the tongue. Change it to pink. Align them, cut, Ctrl X, then go here to draw inside, Ctrl Shift B to paste in place, and then make sure that you're aligning them. Yeah, I think something like this would work just fine. And I'm going to make another ring because Uranus also has rings, sorry. So I'm going to make another ring that is like this, and make it probably 6. Change the color to this ring to a lighter blue. Then go again to my scissors tools or press C on my keyboard. Cut them here on the anchor points and send this part to the back by going right click, arrange, send to back. And now you have your planet. And as before, we're going to apply to this shape the effect that we've been doing, that is roughing, and making sure that we are having just the amount of detail that we're looking for. And finally, we're going to work on Neptune. So we're going to make another sphere, and this one is going to have a darker blue color. And then I'm going to make some rectangles. So I'm going to make a rectangle here and make it darker, and then another one here and make it darker, and then just select both of these and press Alt and Shift to put them to the bottom. Sorry, to make a copy. And then I'm going to rotate this a bit and go to my direct selection tool or press A on my keyboard and round the corners. Then I'm going to select these shapes again, as I showed you before, with select similar objects, cut them, select the shape of my planet, go to draw inside mode, Ctrl Shift P to paste them in place, and double click outside to go that mode. And now I'm going to make the face. So I'm going to make the eyes, and I'm going to group them, align them to the shape of my planet, make another ellipse, go to direct selection tool and remove that one, then select both these anchor points and go here to connect selected endpoints. And for this planet, we're going to make a rectangle. It's actually going to be bigger. Fill it with white, Ctrl X, select your shape, select draw inside, Ctrl Shift B to paste it in place, and now you have a smile. I'm going to make sure that that one is aligned to the center. Select my planet and go here to effect and apply the same roughen effect that we've been applying, making sure that you're applying the right amount. And with this, we have finished our planets and we are ready to turn them into a very nice illustration. So see you on the next lesson.